For the first time, the city doesn't chase you.
Here, space feels louder than people.
You expect noise, but it never arrives.
Everything waits without needing to move.
Even your presence feels louder here. And beyond it, nothing rushes to fill the space.
No one is rushing, not even time.
You don't wait here, you simply move when you want.
Even interaction stays minimal. It's not empty, it's just paused.
When nothing speaks, even your steps feel loud.
No engines, no voices, just space.
And somehow, the absence feels full.
The light here doesn't warm you.
Even color feels restrained.
Someone was here, but not anymore.
The sky feels closer, like it's pressing down.
You're here, but it never feels like you fill the space.
Even the city keeps its distance.
A small warmth in a very quiet world. And suddenly, you realize how alone it feels.
Even movement here feels intentional.
Nothing is hurried, not even routine.
Life continues, just not out loud.
You pass people, but never collide with them.
The city doesn't end, it just fades away.
Out here, it feels like nothing was ever built.
And eventually, even the city lets go.
There's nothing left in front of you, except distance.
The closer you get, the more it pushes back.
You can't tell where it ends, and maybe that's the point.
Out here, it's just you and everything else.
The light doesn't leave suddenly, it fades quietly. Even the city lowers its voice.
Light exists, but only where it's needed.
And somehow the silence feels heavier at night.
Alone. Or finally at peace.
The same silence can feel completely different.
Warmth exists, just not everywhere.
In the end, it depends on what you bring with you.
One step, and everything changes.
Slows down even more.
Two worlds, separated by a thin layer. You could stay, but you won't.
You don't need to go faster, you just keep going.
Even waiting feels optional.
Nothing tells you to hurry.
And if you stop, nothing breaks.
Some people don't end up here. They choose it.
What feels empty to you feels normal to them.
See you later. Yeah, take care. Conversations exist, just without noise.
And somehow, less feels like enough.
You can see it clearly, but never fully step into it.
It feels complete without needing you.
There's always something between you and the moment.
And maybe it's better that way.
You don't leave this place, you drift away from it. And somehow, it feels like it never noticed you.
This is not just a city. It's a feeling you carry with you.
Some places don't end, they stay with you.